Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to share Instagram Reels to TikTok. So first of all, open Instagram account and first time post a Reels from Instagram. Next, tap on to download. Next, share. Okay, now successfully post this Reels by Instagram, and now I'm same post TikTok. Tap on to plus icon, upload, select saved Instagram Reels. Next, and finally tap on to post, then successfully share Instagram Reels to TikTok. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.